Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by backing up. This protects photos, messages, and app data you may lose when the account is removed. Once done, sign out of other devices and pause subscriptions to avoid billing issues. Now open Settings and tap your name. This is where Apple centralizes account controls. Make sure you have your Apple ID, device passcode, and two-factor verification device on hand. With those prerequisites met, you're ready to request deletion from within iPhone account settings. From Privacy and Security, tap Delete Your Account. This begins the formal request to remove your Apple ID and App Store access. Follow each prompt carefully. Apple will ask you to confirm identity with your device passcode and a two-factor code. Read the list of items that will be removed, such as purchases and iCloud files, because deletion is permanent after the review period. Make sure you understand the waiting period and any recovery limitations. This prevents surprises after the account is deleted. Confirm the final deletion and save any reference or access codes Apple gives you. They help track the request. After confirmation, sign out of the App Store and iCloud on your iPhone, then erase the device if you plan to sell or give it away. If something goes wrong, like not receiving a 2FA code, contact Apple support and provide your deletion reference code. You can also use a trusted phone number or device to complete verification. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.